You got muscle cramps? Here's the number one exercise you should do in bed. So, obviously, I'm not in bed, I'm in my clinic, but what you're gonna do while you're laying down in bed, imagine this is the bed, you're going to put your feet together. This is before you get out of bed. And you're going to just push your feet forward, like push the gas pedal for 10 seconds, hold for 10 seconds, okay? After that, you're gonna pull back for 10 seconds. And you might feel like some tightness and stiffness, right? This is to pump blood and oxygen to your muscles to prevent calf cramps, okay, and muscle cramps. So do this 10 seconds here, 10 seconds back. You're gonna do this alternating for 10 minutes every single morning, right? So you can see like here, you're gonna push it forward and just hold it there, right? Push it back and hold it there, right? So you can do this every day. It's gonna help your feet, your plantar fascia, your muscles. Subscribe to my Instagram.
I came in because I was having pain in my groin, and they told me that it was because of my hamstrings, and so they treated my hamstrings. Well, it was definitely affected when I couldn't walk, and I feel so much better now. It's night and day. I'm so happy. I can get back to the gym next week. That's what I'm most excited about. I had to take a month off of the gym, and I was dying, and so now I get to go back next week. Everybody here's so nice and so happy, and there's a zen here, like a peace that is really nice. I never felt rushed. I always felt like I was really being taken care of and pampered. I never felt like I was a number. Like I never felt like, okay, next. It was never rushed, always just really taken care of, and the doctor really listened to what I had to say and was very helpful in finding solutions to my problems.
We're going to continue the biohacking tip number 26. So today is something that I was learning from one of my mentors. It's the secret to success. So secret to anything, whatever you're doing, the success of anything. If you want to, success in your life, your career, your business, your health. So we're going to talk about health, success in your health. So every program, dietary program, works, every fad diet, they all help. Every nutrition program, you go to a nutritionist, you go to a functional medicine doctor, you go to an acupuncturist, you go to a naturopath, you go to any healthcare provider can help you get back on track. But there's one key ingredient, one shortcut, regardless of what program you join. There's one thing that is crucial and vital for your success, and that is commitment. All you have to do, regardless of whatever program you choose, if you commit yourself, you will succeed. The reason why people fail is because they're not committed. And, just think about it. If you have kids, how your kids are looking at what you do. You tell your kids that, that you're going to start this new program, new dietary program, new nutrition program, new supplement program, new lifestyle program. That doesn't matter. If you tell your kids that you do it and you don't commit to it, what type of message are you sending to your kids? Or maybe your spouse. What type of message are you sending to your spouse? Or maybe your siblings, your family. When you don't commit, you're going to fail. Okay? So the number one thing about any type of program that you want to start, whether it's a program, a organ restoration program at Achieve Integrative Health, the number one thing you need to do is commit. You got to commit 100%. This is one thing like, quit smoking. Quit smoking is one of the hardest things to treat because it requires 100% commitment by the patient. And we actually, for in our clinic, since we specialize in treating neurological problems, we actually have higher success rate treating neuropathy, trigeminal neuralgia, Bell's palsy, all of these, what may seem difficult cases. We get great success at Achieve Integrative Health. But yeah, on the other hand, our success rate for quit smoking is lower. And it's because the quit smoking, it requires the person to commit 100%. Like with our neuropathy program, the patient doesn't really have to commit to 100% if they commit, they're going to get better results. But if they don't commit, we can still help them get results. But when it comes to certain things, a lifestyle change, you gotta commit. Number one thing is commit. If you commit, I guarantee you will succeed. It doesn't matter what program it is. The only difference is between the different programs is the amount of success that you'll get, right? And that's the only difference. But you will succeed in any program that you join if you commit. So commit 100%, and committing 100% does not. What it does mean is that, let's say you're going on a diet. Diet number A. If you commit to diet number A 100%, don't be looking at diet number B and diet number C. That's not committing. When you're looking elsewhere, then you're not committing. And if you're half-assing it, then of course you're not going to get the success. And this is the same thing that I talk about when, since I also coach other acupuncturists and mentor other acupuncturists, for those acupuncturists that choose me to be their mentor, I tell them the same thing. If you're going to choose me, you're going to follow me, you got to commit. You got to commit 100% to what I'm teaching you, what I'm showing you. Because if you try to just do part of what I'm telling you, and then you go follow another coach or mentor and you do part of them, you're going to get half-assed results, right? And so this applies to everything, even your career. If you want to move up the ladder in your company, you got to commit to it. You can't be doing, okay, I'm only going to commit when I'm at work, but then when I go home, I'm going to be just watching TV. That's not commitment. That's not 100% commitment. So the key to the straight line to success for anything in your life is commitment. So let's think about what you want to commit to. And here's one of the homeworks or the strategies that my mentor taught me on how to really be committed, and that's to write down your goals every single day. So if you have a goal of losing weight, you have a goal of being able to play tennis, be able to play golf, being able to go hiking. I got a patient who's going to be hiking in Big Bend, and so if you have a goal or run a marathon, there was a marathon in Austin this past weekend. If your goal is to finish a half marathon or a whole marathon, you got to commit to it, okay? Don't half-ass it. If you half-ass it, of course, you're going to get the results. The amount of commitment that you put in is directly related to the amount of success you will get, right? So who's ready to commit 100%? If you need that help, and if you need help in committing to restoring your organ function, we can help you at Achieve Integrative Health. We're the #1 acupuncture and wellness clinic in Central Texas. Give us a call. We are experts at helping people restore their function. And so if you need help with that, we can help you, guide you along the way, and to keep you committed to better health, better quality of life for yourself and your family. All right?